Yeah, good evening. It's Jim from JAGfx.com. It is Tuesday, the 2nd of April, 2024. I think it is, yep. This is just a quick video. As most of you know, I've released a new book, Profitable Forex Trading using high and low risk strategies. I had a couple of questions about the loss recovery method. So I'll just give a quick example of how I look at it and the setup I use on the loss recovery, all right? Now, let's get into it. I'll just go straight to the charts. This is MT5. This is the Aussie CAD, so Australian dollar against the Canadian dollar, daily time frame. On my chart, you see the Bollinger Bands, not so much the band themselves, but let's have a look. Properties of Bollinger Bands. I'll just bring this across. So the period's 80 and the Bollinger Band was 3. And close price, all right? So the colors, the center band is the purple, which is like I think it's an 80 moving average, if I remember rightly. It's equivalent to an 80 simple 80 moving average, I think. I could throw one of them on the chart. Let's have a quick look just to make sure I know what I'm talking about here. Moving average. All right, 80. Yellow, let's have a look, simple, so 80, there we go, simple, moving average, yellow, yeah, so there you go, it's the same, so it's the equivalent of an 80 simple moving average, but we don't need it, so we'll get rid of it, because we've already got, all right, and we've got the QMP filter, slightly different colors, I just use different colors, and the properties of that, the standard MACD Platinum 12.26.9, but the QQE settings are 10, 14, and 2 instead of 1, 8, and 3, 10, 14, and 2. So that's that, and this is the QQE Advanced. That's the same setup, all right. So that is 10, 14, and 2. Now with this, I'm generally looking to buy when it's above this 50 level. The 50 level is this orangey coloured line here. Sorry, I'm looking to sell when both lines are above that level and buy when both lines are below. My other filter is I'm looking to buy when price is below the centre band and sell when it's above the centre band, all right? So just keep that in mind because they're two filters that keep me out of trades. So looking at this chart here, where's my crosshairs? I should have lined this up a bit better. Let's put it there. All right. So this cell's valid. Both lines are above the 50, and price is above the center Bollinger Band, 80. Take the sell. As soon as it goes through the Bollinger Band, put the stop in place, put myself in a no-lose position. So I can't lose on that trade, all right? So there's no loss recovery on that. The buy, even though both lines are below the 0 level, the 50 level, sorry, price is above the that level there, so I'm not taking a buy. It's above the center band, not taking a buy. Sell, not valid. Next one, buy. Good thing is it touched the outer bands, which is, we're not talking about that, but that's a good thing also. Both lines are below the 50. Below the center band price, take it. As soon as it crosses, closes above, it could have been on that candle, doesn't matter, this candle. Put a stop, close half, put a stop in place so you can't lose, and you could ride this trend all the way up. This sell, close to being valid, say we did take it. Now this is, I've got to do a loss recovery, that's what this video is about. And this loss recovery is a technique where we're only in one trade at a time, right? So say we did take the sell, say price did close just above the center line, which it didn't in this case, took the close. Now this buy here is not a valid buy signal. 1, price is above the center band, and 2, price is above the 50 level on, not price, the QQE is above the 50 level. So if I took this sell here, for example, I would have closed on the opposite dot there, and it would have been a loss of 131 points. Now, if that was for, say, 1 lot, this would be for 3 lots. Now, what did I say? It was 101 points, whatever, 101 pips, give or take, doesn't matter. We'll just use it as a rough number. 130 pips, say, 130 pips. So all I need this is to move up 130 divided by 3, and I'm at break even. Because when I'm against a trend, where my bias is in the opposite direction, in this case, I'm only looking to sell. This is a buy signal. I'm just trying to get out at break even. So 130 divided by 3, what's that? 33, 10, 43, say 45 pips. So obviously price only has to go up 45 pips, which is about there. That's all price has to go up to there. Now you could finesse this and close out most of your position and just ride it up with a closed trailing stop and make some profit on the upside. But I'm not interested in that. If I take a sell here and it goes against me, the buy, if I can get out at break even, because I want to sell. A couple of reasons I want to sell. Price is above the center band and the QQE is above this 50 level. So I'm in a sell mode. So next one's this sell here. It goes down nicely in my favor. Price still hasn't got to the band, nor has price got to this the 50 level. So technically, I'd still be in this trade. And then, what's going on here? Then closing out on the opposite dot here, the opposite QMP filtered dot. Now, the loss there would have been tiny. You might have wanted locked in some profit there. That's a 100 pip move. It's up to you. It's a daily chart, which is not really 100 pips. It's not that much. Say we took the loss there. It would have been a few pips loss. In with 1 there, in with 3 there, and it would have easily recovered. No worries at all. Obviously, he's a sell. Bang, down she goes. As soon as we close below the center line and the 50 levels about the same time, close half. Put your stop in a no-lose position, which in this case, if you made that many pips there, so you made nearly 90 pips, you put your stop up 90 pips, overall no-lose. So your stop could be all the way up here somewhere. Up there, no chance of getting hit there. Price comes down nicely, trail your stop down, make money. Buy here. Comes up, goes against me, comes up. That line on the 50 level, as soon as it goes through there, which is on that candle there, which touched the center band, I'd be looking to close that half and put my stop in a position. Can't take the sell here, it's not valid. So we're back in buy mode. Take the buy, would have been a loser. Take the sell for 3, would have recovered the loss. Just get out. We're looking for buys. Take the buy, would have been a loser, recovered on that sell easily. Remember, if we're the recovery trades, we're not trying to make money on the recovery trades. We just want to recover the loss. So that loss, it's only a small loss between the open of that candle, this one here, and the open of that candle, small loss. That would have been recovered easily because we're in by times 3 on that trade. Same here, loss from there to there. From there down to there, would easily cover that loss. No worries. This one's a little bit different. So we're in another buy here. It's still one lot because these sequences are finished. So every time we recover the loss, we reset and go back to the original base lot size. So one lot there, we would have lost. I don't think we would have recovered there. So one lot, took 3 here, didn't recover. This one here, new buy signal. Close this 3, take this one for 5, run this one up. You would have recovered there for sure. Close 4, because now we're with the trend that we want to be. Close 4, recover your loss from these previous 2 losses, and we're trailing the stop and get out with a small profit. So even though we're trading predominantly against a downtrend, as you can see, it's a downtrend, we still didn't lose at all. No real great risk. Our biggest trade was 5, sorry. But when I say one lot, 3 lots, 5 lots, I'm just using that for simplicity. That could be 0.1, 0.3, 0.5, or whatever floats your boat. All right, this sell here, not valid, even though both lines are above the 0 level. I don't like the fact that it's closed below the middle line there. So it's just one of my rules. This seller buy, it's valid, take it, close above, close half, drag your stop up, break even, can't lose. Right, let's move along. I'm not trying to pick it, cherry pick. I can do some more random charts if you want. Someone showed me how to do random stuff today. This sell trade, not valid, but it may be, your rules might have that as a valid trade, or there might be something else that gets your attention. There could be divergence. You might have the MACD platinum on there. There may be divergence, or you might just think, well, the trend's down, I'm going to take sell trades. Yeah, so it's up to you. But for me, I'm just using my rules here. Here's a good one, buy, against touch the outer band, which doesn't happen that often with the settings. So that's a definite buy. It's even got into over sold area, 35 level. So that's a good buy. Take it, take it, take it. Close above, probably on this candle here. Close half, put yourself in no lose position, trail or stop. Sell, not valid. Again, that's probably, you'd probably take that just on that divergence there. You don't get divergence too often with the QQE advance, but you can see higher highs there and lower highs there. So that's hidden divergence. I don't take it. For this purpose of this, I'm not taking it. So it goes down nicely. This one's definitely valid. It's a buy below that level, below the 50 level. Up she goes, bang. No problems at all. No stress, no loss recovery. Sell, again, we've hit the upper band on the Bollinger Band. Overbought, above the center band, well above the 50 level. Take the sell, went against me for a long time. No stops in place, no stops. You could have looked at, drawn a trend line, taken a second sell trade. Eventually he's come down, come through nicely. Couldn't lose on that. That buy signal, not valid. Close on the other side. Sell, not valid. Buy, this is valid. Take the buy. Close out for a small loss on that sell. So what was that? That was 53 pips. So really you only have to go about 20 pips, if that. It goes 100 pips, so that's easily. Take the buy here. Lose on that. We're still in buy mode. Recover on there easily. Recovered that loss from, let's just have a look, just to make sure the mass is close. So there's our entry. Our loss, 209. So divide that by 3. What's that give you? 70, say we'll go 75 pips. All we need 75 pips down. Easily done. Easily done. Easily 160 to recover the loss. So we lost, recovered, lost. Lost. Well, that wasn't valid. Took that, recovered, took that, recovered, took this, and there's your winner there. Price up through the 50 level. Start thinking about move your stop up, put yourself in. It actually eventually poked through the center level, all good. All right, let's move along. Not valid. Here's a buy, it's valid. Yep, it's valid signal. Lost, recovered easily. Next buy, bang. There we go. No problems at all. Sell, valid sell signal. Took it, lost there, recovered that easily on the second trade. Remember that trade's for 1, that trade's for 3. Here's your next one, bang, down, through, close, down through the 50 level, start looking at closing. All good. Valid buy signal here. Again, lost, recovered easily. Another buy, lost, another buy, lost. So we had a 1, 3, a 5, and we would have taken 8 there and recovered. So this is where it gets a little bit tricky, a little bit harder. So we took the buy here. It reversed, took the sell, it immediately reversed, took the buy. It reversed here, took the sell, so we're in for 1, that trade, which is closed. 3 lots, that trade's closed. 5 lots for that trade, it's closed. 8 lots in this trade, easily recovered. All those losses combined, no worries going down there. buy, valid, there's your winner. So this is just loss recovery in here. And here's your winner. Now this is a pair, I don't even think it's on my watch list. It's not a pair I like trading a lot. And it's not a big mover, but it's just showing you, I'm just trying to show you the method. Valid buy signal, bang, up, close, no worries at all good. Another buy here, reversed, recovered. So that buy there was recovered there, no worries. Buy, loss, so we had a buy, then we had a loss, and we had a loss there, then we took the buy, and that's easily recovered on that. So there's a 1, 3, 5 there. Sell, loss. So we'll just do the maths again, so I prove you I'm not talking crap. So your losses from there to there, 102 points, divide that by 3, that's 34 roughly. And it went up 120 just by itself. And I'm using the sequence 1, 3, 5. You could use 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1.5. I'm just using what I use because I'm generally confident this works. And you remember this is just one pair, so you can be trading other pairs making money. It's unusual that every pair will go into a sideways, prolonged sideways, especially with these settings, because if I was using the 183, I'd probably get a lot more dots, whereas these ones with the 10, 14, 2, not as many dots. So here's your sell signal. We've got into the Bollinger Band, upper band, sell. There's your, it lost. So we took a small loss, did not recover, so it's 1. We took a trade for 3, didn't manage to recover, so this is a 5 trade, and bang, down she goes. Down through there, we would have recovered somewhere, easily recovered that losses. Here's your buy signal, and up she goes. Didn't lose on that, not a valid sell signal, that's the last signal. So I'll just pop down and maybe just have a look at a 2-hour chart. It's not my sort of chart time frame. Let's pick somewhere it's a bit ugly. It's all a bit sideways. Where are we? We need a big trend against me. Let's have a look in here. 2-hour chart, same pair. Not something I'd probably trade. Let's have a look. Not valid. Valid buy. Went above the 0 level. Close half. Put your stop in place. Not a valid sell. Not a valid buy. Valid sell. Close. Went below the 50 level there, and also closed below the middle band. Not much profit there, but it's valid. Got a buy, closed above the band there. You probably look at getting out. Sell, not valid. Buy is valid. All right, here we go. Let's see. Buy, lost recovery, recovered, no worries. Buy. On that candle there, price has gone through the 50 level on that candle. You would have closed half before this big bearish candle. So yeah, not good. Would have made some money there, no problems. Buys valid. Couple of things. Looking at 2 things here: the 50 level and a middle band. So it did both, no worries. So it's a winner. Just keep on moving. That's not a valid sell signal, but again, you might want to look at divergence there. You can see higher highs and lower highs there, which I said it's unusual to get divergence on that. Take the sell, and that easily made money. Here's a valid buy above the 50, above the center band, above the 50 level, no problems. Not a valid sell, but again, there's that divergence. We're in a downtrend, so that's with the trend. You make some money on that if you wish. Buy's not valid. Sell, here we go. Sell's valid. Closed out for a loss on this buy and easily recovered. Now we're still in sell mode here because everything's above. Sell came down, getting close, took the buy, no. Took the sell again and would have recovered. So we had a loss, small loss between the sell and the buy, took the buy, not a huge loss there either. And this third trade, which would have been, so it's 1, 3, 5 lots, easily recovered. Buy, not valid. Sell, not valid. Buy, valid, but would have recovered on the third trade if you'd taken that one. easily. Yeah, easily recovered. So no loss there. Sell. Yeah, it's valid. Yeah, you couldn't lose on that. So good. Buy is not valid unless it was something else and it's gone up for a long time. Sell. Here we go. We're in overbought. Hit the Bollinger Band. Sell. Buy. Sell. Would have recovered by easily down here. Because that would have been for 1, 3, 5. Recovered there. If you didn't recover there, you take this one for 8, this one for 13, and this one just drops down. Buy is valid. Would have recovered on the sell, so nothing lost on that buy. Taking this buy here, eventually got going. Nice winner. Sell, not valid unless it was divergence or you took something else. I would buy above, close half, winner. Sell, not valid. Buy is valid. Sell, next buy, would have recovered or close, yeah, already. So there you go, 4-hour chart, same. Oh, sorry, 2-hour chart, 2-hour chart. So that just shows you I know it's just a quick overview of it, but that gives you a fair idea how well it works with those settings I use and the rules based on the settings I just gave you. So you just got to be patient. I would stay with the higher time frames and stay with the pairs that move. This is where you do want to trade the yen pairs. But just be careful, they can go against you for a long time. But generally there'll be a recovery trade. And look for your recovery trades. If it's against your bias, exit those trades. All right, that's it. I hope you've grabbed the new book while it's at a very cheap price. If not, you're crazy. No, it's a good book. But I'll probably give everything away for free anyway if I just keep on watching these videos, so it doesn't matter. Anyway, quick video. I know it took about 20 minutes. Thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you good folk later. Cheers.